ginger, celery, onions. Good. It. Let it steam first. On a spoon. To you, darling. Thyme. Add thyme.
Mom and Dad started acting like they were a couple of college kids again.
So,
yeah. I'm not hitting them better than that.
I don't like my cooking video, but some people.
So everybody around us has been. Well, ain't that station?
Christmas in Pineville?
Your grandfather wrote thousands of stories in his life. Now, you probably know some of them better than I do. Plus, with this crazy shorthand, it's hard to put anything together, especially stuff that's decades old. The way you keep your journal, you are a writer, advice.
Oh, look at how beautiful, guys! This goat aroma. Oh, tomato paste. Put it down. Ah, yeah. Okay, you see, do this. See, it's a bit burnt, but it will be alright. Okay, this is the long grain parboiled rice. This is the rice we are using. Jollof rice. I'm adding the rice now. I already washed it till the water is practically clear. Inside the stew. So, rice was raw. It's cooking, but you can already see the potential. You're raw, not raw, but almost. So this is onion, chopped onion. So mix it together inside the rice. I can't explain. When it's almost cooked, you see the color. You see here. Let me show you the bottom of the pot. I know the steam won't let you see it. See the bottom of the pot. See, I have spring onion. Just put it out. Make it a happy jollof rice. Some spring onions. It makes it just crisp. Decoration of it's perfect. Merry Christmas, darlings. Merry Christmas.